If you're planning a one-bedroom move and don't want to hunt down boxes, tape, and packing supplies separately, the UBOXES 1-bedroom 18 moving boxes basic moving kit offers a bundle solution. A set of brown corrugated boxes plus basic moving supplies and tape intended to cover the common needs of a small household move. The product page describes the kit as a pre-packaged moving solution and typically lists the included components, box counts and basic packing accessories to help you estimate whether it covers fragile items, kitchenware, clothing, and electronics. Price is often displayed per kit and will vary by seller and occasional promotions. Check the live listing for today's price and any multi-kit discounts. Pros: convenience, everything arrives together, saving trips to stores, consistent box quality and sizing for easier stacking and label organization, and included tape, packing supplies which reduce last-minute scrambling. Cons: kits are sometimes optimized for general use and may not include specialty boxes, wardrobe boxes, dish barrels, or extra padding for very fragile heirlooms. So if you have breakables, plan to supplement with bubble wrap or dish packs. Also, the one-size-fits-many nature means you should verify the exact box dimensions on the product page to ensure they meet your moving truck space needs. Overall, this kit is a solid time saver for standard one-bedroom moves, but double-check contents and dimensions if your move includes unusual items. Don't forget, we share by links in description box.